What do functional mushrooms taste like? Let's go ask.
I'm here with my G baby and we're having mushroom coffee with lion's mane today. It's one of my daily staples. I absolutely love it. For those of you who have not tried it, it tastes just like coffee. So the schnozberries taste like schnozberries, coffee tastes like coffee, and not like mushrooms.
It tastes really chocolatey. Tastes like kind of like hot cocoa, but a little earthier and warm and kind of like a holiday drink. Tastes good.
Whoa, that's really good. That tastes like coffee and coffee. Is there mushrooms in this? I don't taste any of the mushrooms. There's mushrooms in this? Really? That's a damn good coffee.
It's good. It's like more complex earthiness to it. Really nice coffee flavor. You might expect it to taste more mushrooms, but I don't personally. That's excellent.
It's delicious. It's not too sweet, and I love the hints of cinnamon.
I love mushroom coffee. It's just the best.
This is so good. I'm drinking mushroom cacao with reishi, and it actually tastes like hot chocolate. Really good.
Mushroom coffee tastes just like coffee. Mushroom cacao tastes just like a delicious European-style hot chocolate. While efficacy is really important to us, we know that in order to make something a habit, to incorporate it into your daily life, it has to be delicious. So all of our 4 Sigmatic products are formulated to be just as tasty as they are beneficial for your health and well-being.